ipapapulis kita.
Subukan mo. Sigurado akong lalabas sa katotohanan. Alam ko naman takot ka na lumabas sa totoo, Clara.
Nanaginip ako.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso kong ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo ay gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay.
Our best regards to you. May you have many more birthdays to come and good health. Looking forward to seeing you soon. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday,
Bye-bye.
Nanay.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Sorry we can't be there today to celebrate your 80th birthday. Hopefully we will see you next year.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Hope you have a great time tonight, and I hope that you have many more healthy years to come.
Tapos.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you.
We love you.
See you soon.
We love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Nanay! We love you, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Sorry I can't be there on your birthday, but you're surrounded by everybody that loves you, and I hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Hi.
Bye,
Nanay. Happy birthday.
I miss you.
Yeah, this is yours.
Hey, this is Dory.
Wait, I'm there. I'm gonna be there.
And when Rain gets married, you can have a room. So.
Okay, so Jerry, please.
Happy birthday. I'll visit you soon.
I love you.
Love you.
You're well.
Love you, Nanay.
Yeah. Thank you.
How about that?
Thank you too. We'll see you soon. Hopefully this year.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ready? Happy birthday, Nanay!
From the Adams family. Okay.